Ready? Have a pet penguin or have a pet koala. Communicate with all animals or speak all human languages. Have a spider on you all the time or have a snake on you all the time. If that was hard, subscribe for more. Fight a goose or fight a raccoon. Be able to fly like an eagle or breathe underwater like a whale. Your dog could talk or your cat could cook. Team dog or team cat. The truth is in the comments. Would you rather live with a lion's roar or live with a hyena's laugh? Be chased by a hippo or be chased by a silverback gorilla. Cuddle a skunk or cuddle a porcupine. Swim with dolphins or ride a camel through the desert.